Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review this Lamy retractable type ballpoint pen. It will come with a glassy red color. This is Lamy logo model and silver colored clip. So today we are going to review this pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Before reviewing this pen, we'll see this box. So here is Lamy. This will come with a plain elegant gift box with a silver and then black color. After we are opening, we could see here a tight elegant cross shape gift box. So in this it's very comfortable, it won't come out and it's very safe. They have mentioned Lamy design made in Germany. All these Lamy pens are manufactured in Germany. If we remove the tag, we can see the warranty card. It's an international warranty card. This will come with at least 2 years from the date of purchase and it's very soft. You can see here. Here is Lamy logo model retractable type ballpoint pen. This will come with an double combination, one is silver and then glassy red color. And it's a retractable type ballpoint pen. Here we can see the Lamy logo near the clip. They have mentioned a simple and then cute. They didn't mention it's like a brand name. It's like a small tiny words they have mentioned. And this clip, yes, it's a user-friendly clip, so we can easily insert this into the pocket. And this will come with a normal, flat finial at the bottom. And now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length. So that we are going to use vernier scale. First, we are going to calculate including the tip. 134.17 mm. It's a retractable type ballpoint pen. So we are going to calculate without nib. It's 134.79 mm. Now we'll calculate the grip section near that spring area part. It's 10.03 mm. Now we'll calculate the overall weight and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Lamy pen. It's a retractable type ballpoint pen and it's a lightweight pen, carries 16 gram. Now we'll unscrew this and check the weight. We'll check the body first. It's 7 gram and this grip section part including the refill, it carries 9 gram. This refill alone carries 3 gram and the grip section part carries 5 gram. Okay, now we'll back to our video. Now we did the construction of the pen and it's very lightweight pen under 16 grams and it's just amazing. Now we'll look into the pen. Here we have a grip section. It's not a usual grip section. It's like a spiral grip section you can see here. And it's very comfortable. We can hold in the tip and then also write, and from far away also we can write. Yeah, that's nice. It's not slippery. Now we'll see the refill type, and this is a medium tip. Here we'll see the refill. This is black color refill and this medium tip. For this branded refill, we can also alternatively use Zinnow and then Smith refills. That packs are also available in penhouse.in. Okay, now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample. It's a retractable type ballpoint pen. You can see here. So this is a medium tip. First, we are going to write penhouse.in. Penhouse.in, and this is black color refill. It's Lamy. ballpoint pen with medium tip. Now we are going to do the smoothing test. You can see here it's very smooth. I'll do the stripes. It's in very dark color, we can see here. And this ink flow, it's very good. It's just amazing. Now I'll write the alphabets. We are not making more pressure while writing in this ballpoint pen. Usually while writing ballpoint pens, we need to make more pressure while writing. But in this pen, it's not the same. It's very smooth to write. Nice. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. It's a retractable type ballpoint pen with black color refill. It's very smooth and amazing and very dark in color. Some pens we can see that while writing at first it will be dark. While writing continuously that color will fade off like that, or that exact first color dark black color won't come off. But in this we could see the overall it's very dark while writing. And while comparing to other ballpoint pens, we need to make more pressure while writing or holding the pen, but in this pen that's not the thing. We can easily without making more efforts we can write. I just love this pen. Whether if you want to purchase this pen, website link in the description, kindly see to it. Whether Penhouse is only reviewing this types of pens and then uploading the videos, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers. We are retailing different branded pens like Shepherd, Parker, Lamy, and then all branded pens now. Ranga, Ratnam, all the branded pens we are doing, we are retailing with different nibs, different colors, and all the spares are available in Penhouse, like cartridges and then converters, nibs, different nibs according to your pen will be customized. All the details if you want to know, link in the description. And we are manufacturing our own brand pens like ballpoint pens, roller ball, and then fountain pens, like customization pens, handmade pens. Nowadays many manufacturers are not making handmade pens, but we are doing manufacturing handmade pens. Especially your own designs are always welcome, because we are doing silver handmade pens also. Example, in previous video we have uploaded that Lord Balaji pen, and then Lakshmi pen, many God symbol pens. According to your design, you can also customize your company name or logo, your family name, or your neighbors or friends, somebody's design, and you can gift that. That's a great thing. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye.